That was awesome. That was awesome. We need that. Look at the lightning's right there.
Right by the fireworks, Mike.
It's right there. Right. Whoa!
I hope I got that.
You got it?
I don't know. I'm trying to go so fast.
Lightning is like 1 second. Camera like takes. It's like.
Get it fast. One shot.
I'm definitely sleeping tonight.
You are, baby. Yeah.
Folks, as we head back to the weirs, just a reminder to our guests on the forward deck especially, on all this boat traffic, we need our night vision, so please, at this time we request that no photographs of the whalehouse, please. You're blind. Thank you.